New acquisition alert. How do you do? Look at what I finally got. Oh my gosh. It is one of the fans I've been wanting to check off my want list. For years, I've been looking for a Galaxy or Alasco Fat Blader, and now I've finally got one. Now, of course, y'all know that Galaxy 37, 13 that Bo Mitchell gave me. Well, this is that fan. Um, this is the fan that originally had this blade. It's this Brentwood box fan. But due to the condition of it, I can't really use it because the motor kind of stinks when I run it because it needs cleaned out. So I don't know. I'm busy with my drumming and music lately. I haven't had a chance to get around to it. So I decided to swap the blades out. And now this Galaxy box fan now looks like the fan that is illustrated on this box in which it came in. Now it looks more appropriate. And I've always wanted one like this. And I got one with a D blade in it. So I got the best of both worlds. But I originally wanted one of these mint in the box. So I still got this one. I just got to work on it a little bit. But I'm going to keep these as is. As this is the way what I've always wanted. Okay. I just can't believe my luck. Okay, so I originally got that other fan for free at an estate sale back in August, I believe. I don't know. It's been a while. But anyway, I've always wanted one of these box fans, and now I finally got one. So, yep, and that one had its original handle and everything. It's got the handle, Esky Wolf. Anyway, let's turn it around and see the back of the fan. In all its beautiful vintage glory. Because you ain't never going to see another one of these again. Just get you a good eye full of that. And this one's got the plastic Marco motor in it. So yeah, this thing is pretty kick-ass. I do like it. So, the other fan has a motor full of dirt, and I kept smelling the dirt as I was running the fan, and it stunk my whole house up. It smelled like, grease, like old motor grease, hot old motor grease, that smelly smell, that smells smelly. Well, anyway, so now I got two of my fans off my want list. I still got to do a video of that one and that one. And I got a Lasco 7-blade wind machine that I need to do a video of. So all those videos are coming soon. But here's this one. Galaxy 3713 first generation blade set. And it is on high. Uh-oh. Oh, here we go. My mind ain't all there like it used to be, you know what I mean? Okay, now here's medium. And finally low. What I noticed about these fab blades is they are like the curved Edison blades. They aren't like scoop blades. They create more like a wind screw, like the Edison curved blades. These are like Edison blades, a lot like Edison blades. Back to high. And you know those words of Tory the Fan Man. Oh, double F spells off. Oh yeah, and the coast down time on this thing is nuts. Very decent, especially for a plastic motor. That is impressive. Yeah, yeah. Any second now. It's just going to take its sweet little time. Keeps on keeping on. And that is that. Wow, that is a great fan. That'll conclude this video. Have a good one. Have a good one. Yeah, excuse me. Things have not been cooperating with me lately, and I've just had a crud week. But anyway, here's this fan, and I got many more coming your way. That's all for this one, and you have a good one.